Kaseng Kongres kala Pynlong ke Jingialang Ilekshon MP haga Dorbar Hall ke baha Dihari Bohoi District Indian Kesngi. Ukertong Kaseng Kongres iba Vincent Pala, UMLA ke Seng Dr. Celestine Lingdo, UMLA na Mauhati Constituency iba Charles Marngar, bat kiwei kinongelam kini Kaseng San Pertai kile Donlang haga ni Kesngi. Aba penpau hakila patai kubor iba Palai laong bagaseng Kongres kadang nyai long ke Baklan, bat kitu ki bala penyusno ialah dia syakiwei pat ki kenhun Seng San Pertai kadai na ke jingmentoi jong ki shimet bat omdai na ke Bynta ki Paidbah.
I think at the grassroots level, people knows what is their interest and why they joined. So I've seen, for example, like in Maukarwat, the MDC has joined, but when we went yesterday, again we regrouped. Rather, we have a stronger forces, and you have seen in Nongpo, they have joined, but we are regrouped. You'll see within a week we'll have a meeting in Nongpo, we'll have a better and stronger forces. So definitely when they first joined, we do have a setback, but when we regroup, when we mobilize, I think there's no impact on the ground. So the people knows that people who join is for the personal gain, personal interests and personal benefits, not for the benefit of the general public.
Ka Department